I am going to put my laptop charging methods to the ultimate test to see which one is truly the safest. Charging your laptop seems straightforward, but it is crucial for battery longevity. Let us explore how to keep your device safe. Many of us have bad habits, like leaving laptops plugged in constantly. This can cause overheating or even damage your battery over time. Using incorrect chargers is another major risk. Always stick to original or certified equipment to avoid potential fire hazards or hardware failure. Some users fully drain their batteries, thinking it helps. Actually, this adds unnecessary stress and significantly reduces the total lifespan of the battery. Modern lithium-ion batteries thrive when kept between 20% and 80% charge. Avoiding extremes prevents wear and keeps your battery chemistry healthy. Always keep your laptop away from extreme heat or cold. Temperature control is just as important as the charging habits you practice daily. The best approach is a balanced one. Use smart charging features if available, and avoid hitting 0% or 100% whenever possible. To summarize, use the right charger, maintain a healthy cycle, and watch the temperature. These simple steps will extend your laptop lifespan. Do you have any charging tips or questions? Share them in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more tech advice.